Hey everyone, today is 13th of November. So I'm gonna do an episode today how I do my skincare routine and also to get ready with me. Please press the subscribe button below. And so let's get started. Bioderma to wipe all my impurities from my face. Even though you use cleanser, it's not gonna remove all your dirt from your face. So that's why I'm using this after I cleansed. So after my bioderma, I'm gonna use the Kiehl's gel cream. And this is basically for the normal to oily skin type. Put all over. And also for the neck. And just apply like this. I'm just gonna cover my eye as well. Because I don't use eye cream in the morning. I use only at night because moisturizer is all enough for morning before your makeup. Let's go for the neck as well. And there goes a little bit of lip balm. So I'm gonna drink water before I start my makeup. So I usually use this Neutrogena sunscreen, just 50 plus SPF. I'm gonna skip this today. Next I'm gonna take the eyebrow brush to just stroke out my hair, and using the MAC just do the hair soak, just you guys can see. A little bit. So if you keep your hand too close, then it's basically gonna give a harsh line, and we don't want that. Just gonna fill all the gaps. Now you guys can see the difference. My hair has got tensy. And moving on, just gonna press it. So my plan for today is to firstly go to the spa salon. I've been urging to go to spa salon since 2017. Okay, the place is just in the corner of the road, and I'm just gonna go there and check if I can find a good eye cream. So I'm just gonna press like this using my finger itself. So I've seen a lot of TikToks about this Lancome Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. So, and I love this concealer. New Zealand price is gonna be $80, and if you guys really like it, and you can check the TikTok videos and give a shot. So using this small beauty blender, I'm just gonna dab it, not like press it too much or like rubbing it, like that. So hope you guys can see the difference. This is my everyday look. So I mostly don't prefer to use eyeshadow on my upper eyelid. I'm just gonna use eyeshadow today just to show you guys. Last night I had a really good sleep. It was really peaceful. So like that, and you guys can see a lot of difference over here. This is every day, and this is Go-Go tint. I'm just gonna take a little bit of it and apply like that, and straight away dab it. Otherwise it just stays in the skin forever. Because of the weather, I just wanna apply on the tip of my nose. So because you applied and straight away you dabbed it, so it's not too harsh on your skin. Because it's a liquid product, so that's why I use it before I powder it all over my face, and wherever I feel like I'm gonna get oily, especially my T-zone. So I use this under the eye, so it's basically highlights the skin, but I'm gonna skip this today, and I just want to show you guys. This is in the shade Natural from the Nude Stick in the shade Sunkissed Cool, and I have showed you guys in my previous video, so please go and check it out. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this Nude Beauty Nude palette. Use this brown shade all over my eyelid, and gonna take the middle one, the pink color shade, on the socket area. So let's get into it. So I'm just gonna press it.
Obsessed with thinking when you confess your feelings. You ask me how I feel, I said I feel lonely without you by my side.
I can see the difference. Hope you guys can see the difference as well. Always start by using the lighter shade all over the eyelid, and make sure you press it. And also make sure you guys wash the brushes regularly after each use. So I'm gonna take this color to curl my lashes. Okay, I just want to tell you guys that brand Maybelline New York. I tried their recent launch mascara, and it's very hard to remove, so make sure you guys get your hands on to the Garnier one. It has like oil based content, so it's just a small tip I'm giving you to guys. So this one is gifted to me. Just gonna use this Tarte lashes. I think I've told you guys in a previous video that always use your mascara on the bottom lashes first and then go to the upper lashes to avoid the lashes sticking to your skin. But I'm just gonna skip the bottom lashes for today. You guys can say bottom lashes or lower lashes, up to you. This mascara is compared to the Maybelline one is okay. Just one stroke, it just lifts up. I'm gonna use this Mecca Max in the shade, of course, it's white. I'm gonna use this, my favorite Givenchy powder. It's basically a loose powder in the shade number 3, as you guys can see. So it has 4 different shades in this box. You guys can give it a go. It's like $88, something like that, New Zealand dollars I mean. This one always gets sold out, and then I finally got it before I traveled from Auckland. I'm just giving you guys the difference. So but some products like Too Faced are cheaper compared to New Zealand, which is in Chennai I mean, and same as but the Givenchy one, the other brands, Dior, are crazy expensive compared to New Zealand. So I'm just giving you guys the tips. So I'm just gonna take a little bit in my hand and just gonna brush it and just press it all over. So my under eyes are so glittery. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Just coming closer. So I have recently purchased this K-Beauty in the shade brown, I believe.
Summer colognes got me falling
like that. Okay, so I just want to show you guys the difference. Can you guys see?
up your arms around me.
Last but not least, I'm just gonna apply the Givenchy in the shade Nude 16. Just gonna apply and fill inside. So thank you guys for watching my video, and hope you guys liked it. So that's the look for today, and please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you guys for being a part of my journey, and love you guys. Hey everyone, today is 4th of January. The video you guys watched was in Sri Lanka. So now I'm so excited that we are in Portugal to do my night skincare routine. So it's currently 12 degrees I believe outside, but it's not bad because the Paris was really cold compared to this one. And yeah, we get started. I just want to show you guys the beautiful loud turquoise color, you guys. So yeah, let's get started. You guys can see me clearly, that's all I want. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is wash my face and show you guys my actual skin. I'm gonna wash my face now. I prefer to use cold water and hot or warm water. Be right back, you guys. So now you guys can see the difference. I wash my face and I just use the face cloth just to press onto my T-zone area, because I don't prefer to just drag or wipe it off all over my face. So I'm gonna take this 2-in-1 makeup removing and micellar water from Yves Roja. So I'm gonna use this because it's a travel friendly.
Your summer cologne's got me free.
Sure to wipe your neck as well. I have taken this snail peptide eye cream under my eyes and I've already applied it. So just gonna press it like this and it's nice and hydrated. As you guys can see the difference. So next what I'm gonna do is take this Vichy Lavatories. So I haven't tried this product before. So first I'm gonna try in front of you guys. So this one has so many benefits in this, but make sure that you guys prefer to check the reviews and research the product before you get your hands on it. Just letting you guys know. So I got the 50 ml bottle. So yeah, there you go. So this has daily fortifying and pumping daily booster. I'm just gonna take a little bit in the back of my hand. 4 pumps, it's enough for the face. Just gonna apply it. Make sure you guys don't forget the neck. So just let you guys know that my skincare routine is really simple. So the last one I'm gonna do is the lip mask from Laneige. This is one of my favorite berry flavor. So I'm gonna apply this on my lip and then finish off. That's all you guys. Hope you guys liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear. So until then, bye.